Copper hot water heaters.
What's in the wash?
We'll layer up and get it ready to take the scrap there. Why the f did I grab this up slot screwdriver? I don't know why that one's even in the toolbox anymore. Did you end up finding another Phillips?
I did, yeah. They're up here.
I mean, part of me wants to keep this tank just to have, but like, I mean, part of me wants to just not sit on shit.
Yeah.
Hey, Dwight. That should just bang off. You got a couple screws here, and then you just gotta cut these bolts, and that pulls the cast off, and then the coil will come out with it, and then you just gotta cut this and that off because that'll be brass.
Gotta cut it apart to get it out. It's not the same as.
It's not the same as the one we just watched.
Shit. Pretty fucking thick though.
Oh yeah.
Copper?
No, steel.
Well, yeah.
Hell,
Huh?
But the core is all copper.
It is steel?
No, it's all copper.
No.
No, this is.
Yeah.
Well, that sucks. Look at how they built that. I was wondering, like when you were cutting, I go, what the hell am I looking at? How did they weld that?
Look at it. Look at it.
So what is it, copper line?
Yeah. It's copper core.
Huh.
Made in 1945.
No, this one would have definitely been in the 60s.
50s?
60s.
So what'd they do then? Put the copper and then fold
The early ones were complete copper tank, and they just had spray foam on the outside.
So
Or unless this was an early one and then that was a later one,
I think that's
and because this was causing a problem between the copper and the steel.
When I saw this, I go, what the hell? That's not what I was.
Well, that's as soon as I pulled the insulation off, I was like, oh, for fuck's sakes.
And you saw the steel
Yeah.
in the crack.
No, just insulation. It is.
It is. As I said, it's all copper on the inside too.
She's in there. You're making a mess of your table. Huh? Where's the big pipe wrench? What do you think, Scrapman Cameron? How are we dealing with the?
Trying to get the copper out from it, or?
We haven't decided. I tried to jump on that, but. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Are you ready?
I was too, but I didn't win. Cam, jump on it.
Thought you were jumping.
I was.
I don't think it needs to come off though.
Well, that'll allow that to come off. Get that out, so that don't matter. But that's brass. Going all the way in, that's what I was trying to.
Yeah, and like this one.
On what? Waiters. That's called a waiter.
Oh.
Yeah, well, I'm watching the fucking water go up. Well, is there enough water in the line that you just got to turn it on?
Yep.
I think Greg can't put it in the shop. He took mine and mine. Here we go. Nowhere close to 50. Wow. Yeah, because that whole thing was so bad. Yeah. More than you think. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what do you think he counts it up?
28
Yeah.
and 20.
Yeah. Plus the 5 pounds of grass that came out of it.
Oh, forgot about all this. Is this copper here?
Yeah. So we don't even have to go anywhere.
They built them.
Off the hot water heater, we got this old, I mean, I've never seen one like it. There's your, why is there 2 adjustments? That looks like temperature, but what's it? Oh, this is your pilot. This one's your pilot.
Pilot on.
Yeah. Oh. There's your, yeah, pilot. And then you're on. Okay. There's your on. And there's your temperature. If we go around to here, this was the thermostat portion of it. Had a little pin and mounted like that. Mounted like that. And would just push on and off against this. Oh, so then this would set your pressure. Oh, no way. There, if you look at that, you can see that come out. And dial it in, it comes in. So it's setting your make. All right, well, that'll finish up the the hot water heater portion. All right. Hey, thanks for making it to the end here. Hope everybody enjoyed this little one. We were just in the shop cleaning up. It was an early spring day. It was cold outside, so we just took apart the hot water boiler and the hot water heater. The hot water heater was, again, copper cladded on the inside. It still had a metal tank on the outside. So not exactly what we thought we were getting into when we seen copper core hot water heater. When we did a quick look up, there was other people that had cut them apart and they had the full copper tank itself. There was no steel or anything in it. So it was definitely a little bit more work to get her tore down and get her out, but we did her. We got her all together, all weighed up, and on the scale, it's I think this is a month later now, but it should be going to the scrapyard here real soon and getting paid now that copper's way up. So anyways, thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next one. Please like and subscribe and share around.